This is the DOOGEE T10, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up the VPN connection on this device. So firstly, you will need to get the free third-party app called Turbo VPN. So let me quickly download it from the Play Store. Once the app is ready, you can go ahead and launch it. In here, as I can clearly see, it does not support the landscape interface mode, so that's fine. I'll just rotate my tablet into the portrait mode. So skip the ad. And in order to connect your tablet to VPN, or actually it does support. Let me check real quick. Yeah, it does not, unfortunately. Okay, whatever. So tap at the caret icon over here. Confirm the connection request, and as you can see, the VPN was successfully connected to by this little indicator or key icon at the status bar. From here, you can reconnect to another country, server, or city. And if you would like to disconnect from VPN, you can simply tap at this cross icon over there, choose the disconnect option, and that will be so. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.